So check out the Artisan series here from Cutluxe. So I went with the 6-inch boning knife here and then the 12-inch slicing knife. These are super cool and they are very low maintenance. Make sure you're not putting these through the dishwasher. You just wash these off with your typical soap, and then I prefer to dry mine and hang them up, but this one is a full tang all the way through. The boning knife should have a little bit of play and flexibility to it, so this is super nice, mostly for a poultry. If you have something that's for like fish, it's going to be a little bit more flexible than that and a little bit thinner, but this is very thick, full tang all the way through, has a very good weight and balance to it, so easy to maneuver. They did include this nice little microfiber towel. You can apply oil to this as well if you want to, but if you do have a honer, the honer is the one where you just go back and forth, that's going to hone it, not to be confused with sharpening it. That's going to help it stay nice and pristine over time. And then of course you can get a nice oil too for the blades. So this is going to be the 12-inch slicing knife. This thing is a beast. Check this thing out. It has a very nice weight to it. This one is also full tang all the way through, has a very nice balanced handle. Make sure again you're not putting this through the dishwasher. You don't want these to start gapping and separating. Just wash them and dry them or let them sit aside. Don't put the tips down, especially if they have pointy tips. You don't want to damage the edge there, but this one you could use for honing as well. But this thing is big enough to slice through just about anything, large hams, turkeys. It has these nice perforations in here, so that's going to leave a little bit of separation so the meat and stuff doesn't get stuck to it. So this one is pretty impressive. I haven't had a 12-inch slicing knife before. It is razor sharp. Make sure you just clean them and maintain them. If you do have some knife oil or pick some up, it's very easy to do a light application. So I highly recommend this, even if it's just for yourself, but it also comes in this very nice giftable package. It has a magnet as well, so it has a sleeve, a magnet, and it presents very well even as a gift. So highly recommend picking this up.